How to play songs continuously on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to play songs continuously on YouTube. So it's a quick and simple process that you can easily follow. So I'm demonstrating this on my Android device, but the steps are the same whether you're using a computer or another phone. So first of all, start by opening the YouTube application on your mobile device and make sure that it's updated to its latest version and you're logged in with your specific account. Open a video or music you'd like to play and listen. Once you're there, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Now, select additional settings, that is below the sleep timer option, tap on it. And here you will see the option of loop video, that is the initial option over here. Simply toggle the switch and you can see the indication that video loop is on. This will ensure that when the video ends, it will automatically play again, allowing the song to play continuously. And if you want to play random songs continuously, I recommend searching for YouTube playlist. Just make sure to turn off the loop option so that you can enjoy a mix of different tracks. I hope this helps you learn how to play songs continuously on YouTube application. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.